Hello friends! I hope you have a happy day and full of happiness. Today I will share with you a new video special and effective. We need these ingredients to make this recipe. So let's start. 1/2 tomato, 1 teaspoon of toothpaste, Now, mix all the ingredients very well. Now it's time to brush your teeth with this paste for 3 minutes. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe us, and we are waiting for your feedback and comments.